everybody, it's Melissa with Melissa Sharing. Thank you for joining me. I've got a little box today. It's been a little while. I'm just getting started waiting on things to come in. This one came in yesterday. It is Walmart Beauty. So sorry this is backwards. I don't know. It worked last week. I can't figure it out what I did. But anyway, I'm going to do the video anyway. So Walmart Beauty is a monthly, but it's not an auto subscription. So you just, each month, if you want to do it, you can go look and see what it's going to be about and order it. The cost was only $5. It covers shipping. So you can't really beat that. To be able to test things out. You know, we always see things that we want to buy, but you just don't know how to do it, so we don't want to waste our money. This is a good way to test it out. When you open the box up, it has the thing on the top. This one is sponsored by Nivea. Embrace Your Beauty. No, it's backwards. There's no coupons in the box this time. I did open it. I got excited last night, and I tried a couple of the items already. There's no coupon, but it says, enter to win a $100 gift card. Tell us what you think about your Walmart Beauty box in a brief survey by visiting beautyboxsurvey.com. So I'll be doing that. And open it up. See the items in there. Okay. It does come with a few informational cards. I'm going to pull those out real quick so that I can tell you about them. Okay. First item doesn't have a card with it. I know that already. So, the Biore Charcoal Cleansing Micellar Water. This one I'm excited about. Excuse me, my feet are going to sleep. So, okay, great for oily skin. With my age, I have such a hard time finding anything that works good for oily skin, because everybody thinks I should have dry skin, and a lot of the anti-aging things just irritate my skin. So I tried it last night and this morning. I did feel very clean. My pores were minimized. Skin felt a little bit tighter. I've had it on about 2 hours today so far. No oily feeling. I don't have any base on, no powder. All I've got is blush, mascara, and lipstick on. So we'll see how long it takes, or how long it lasts. But it does remove makeup, deep cleans pores and refreshes, and you can use it to remove your eye makeup. So that is a plus. Okay, the next item, this one seems kind of funny. I've been seeing people doing reviews on it. So I was kind of scared to try it, but I was glad I did. It is Hello Fluoride-Free Whitening Toothpaste. It says black, white, and friendly all over. Fall black in love with oral care. Now the reason why they keep talking about black is because it does have activated charcoal, so it is black. It does have fresh mint and coconut oil. I'm going to just read you the thing. It says, say hello to activated charcoal fluoride-free whitening toothpaste. Activated charcoal, made from sustainable bamboo, is a natural whitener and detoxifier that removes surface stains and freshens breath. A friendly word of advice: black paste can be messy, so please spit responsibly. It's also vegan and made in the USA, free from artificial sweeteners, SLS, sulfates, artificial flavors, dyes, microbeads, triclosan, gluten, saccharin, and peroxide. Now that's pretty cool, as they say. Yeah, I like that. And I did try it last night, and I have to tell you, I loved it. I thought I loved the toothpastes that I have been using before, but this one made me feel like I had just come from the dental office. And my breath felt so fresh. My teeth were so smooth and fresh bread. So that's 2 for 2. The next one, I believe we're all familiar with. Maybelline New York Mascara. This one, color is very black. I think this is probably, at least for people of my age, when we first started wearing makeup, I think this was probably everybody's starter mascara. And it's been around forever, and it's always been a good brand. I'm just going to open it up real quick. Yeah. It does say that it conditions as it thickens. No clumps, no clogs. If I could just get this thing off of here. Okay. It's not a full-size bottle, but it's still a pretty good bit with the other sizes of those other things for $5. There we go. See the wand. So I do like that. I mean, who doesn't love it? That's a good travel size too. And the next one, I don't see it. Yep, here we go. Maybelline Masterpiece All Day Liquid Liner. This color is black also. Their most precise liner for intense eye impact. Waterproof formula. Well, I did try it out. I don't think it is waterproof. I did a swatch on my hand yesterday, and then I put a dab after it dried. It dried quick, but I put a dab of water on my finger and rubbed across, and no, it's just not waterproof. So it does have a very fine line. It's very soft, feels very good. It'll be good if you know you're not going to be crying or get caught in the rain. But I do disagree. I did not find it to be waterproof. Okay. The next item, this one is interesting. Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask. I've heard of goat's milk being good. I've never heard of donkey milk. And this is by a company called AE. I'm not sure if you say that excuse me, if you say that separate or not. It's got donkey milk, salmon extract. Oh, I'm sorry. Pause. Oh, I thought I paused it, but it's still going. Sorry about that. Okay. Says, since ancient times, donkey's milk, also referred to as white gold, has been valued for its immense nourishing skin and health benefits. Revered by the likes of Hippocrates and Cleopatra, rich in proteins, minerals, vitamins, essential fatty acids, bioactive enzyme, and coenzyme. It restores balanced nourishment and moisture to the skin. Put it on, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, take remaining essence and pat into skin. When used in daytime, apply sun protection after use. I'm excited to try that. You see all of this stuff, especially the mask, and I want to use it, and just afraid to spend the money, not knowing how my skin's going to react to it. So I'm excited, and I will let y'all know how that works. And by Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. Formulated with supremely moisturizing hyaluronic acid, specifically designed to brighten and smooth the under eye area for a well-rested look. Hypoallergenic and non-irritating for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. I'm always looking for something good for the eyes. If I could just get rid of these droopy lids, I'd be happy. By the way, for those of you who watched the BoxyCharm video, the under eye stuff, I do like that. I have been happy with that. And the IT mascara, you can see I used it again today. It does give me a little, I have hard lashes to work with. They're almost non-existent. Okay. And Nivea, who is sponsoring this box, it is new 48-hour soothing cream with aloe vera. Okay, deep nourishing moisture. Keep your skin nourished for even longer. Here to give your skin the nourishment it needs. The new Nivea Aloe Vera Body Lotion for instantly refreshed and hydrated skin. It's for the body. Okay. And the last item is by Garnier. It's their new Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo and Conditioner. Good amount in these packs. Should be able to get about 2 to 3 washings depending on how thick your hair is. For naturally beauty hair. Recipe blended with oat milk and rice cream extracts. Protein-rich oat milk and soothing rice cream blend to form a delicate lather that coats hair in lightweight hydration. Hair is supple and softened with weightless moisture. Okay, we'll see how that works. That thing in the BoxyCharm Biogenics or whatever it was, the hair mask. I think it did give my hair a little bit of shine. I don't notice that it's any softer, but like I said, my hair is very coarse anyway, so it might work for some others, but this is it. I'll try this. I'm anxious to try all of these, and I will do a review later to let y'all know. I'm going to try and wrap this up, but I do want to let you know next week I am having an exciting unboxing. It is scheduled to be here Monday. It was a free box that I won by the Canadian mom. She also has some serious neurological issues that's causing her to lose her sight, and she stays in extreme pain. When I unbox it, I'm going to have some more information prepared, because this is something that I would like to look into when I get better at this and start making better money. I would like to do some kind of fundraise for research, because there is no cure for that. Anyway, I believe that is it, and please subscribe. I gave instructions last week, but I wasn't clear. I asked to subscribe and like, and everybody was just doing it on Facebook because I had put the link on Facebook. But I need as many subscribers as possible so I can start making money with this. So if you click on the video and go to my channel and hit subscribe and like the video, and please share this video. It's YouTube, so you go to YouTube, or we'll link you to YouTube, and share it to all your friends and family, because this is how I'm going to try and make money. I'll have some more information next week on some other companies that I have gotten accepted as an affiliate with. So I'm excited about that, especially coming for Christmas. Designer purses is one of them, and accessories. So I will be letting y'all know about that. Thank y'all. God bless. Have a good day.